is the most scientific powder.
Let's go back to the basics and start simple. That is, cleanse, moisturize and protect. Begin by getting your hands on a gentle cleanser. Support that with a hydrating moisturizer and finally protect your skin using a sunscreen. The 3 products you use here totally depend on your skin type, and that's all you need to know for this step. For oily skin, use gel-based and oil-free products with ingredients such as green tea, tea tree or salicylic acid. For dry skin like mine, use lotion-based cleansers and moisturizers with aloe vera, glycerin or ceramides. And for combination skin, use lathering cleansers, AHA exfoliants and moisturizers with niacinamide or vitamin E. Next, we get to our actives and treatments. An active is one ingredient that targets a specific skin concern, like acne or pigmentation. And the key here is to use only one active at a time and divide them into AM and PM routines. For acne, use salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide during the day and retinol at night. For pigmentation, use vitamin C and layer it with SPF in the day and try out kojic acid or niacinamide at night. And for sensitive skin, try out squalene, hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Now I think you should take a screenshot. And finally, we get to some indulgence and pampering. Use fruit-based DIYs with bananas or papayas or ingredients like honey, oats and milk. Or pick natural powders like orange peel or multani mitti and mix it with rose water for a weekly face mask. And finally, remember, skincare is all about making you feel good about yourself and not insecure or embarrassed. Your skin will thank you for investing in it. So take your time and don't jump onto every trend you see.